Vaheguru, student of 8th standard, which we are doing exercise 8.1 of your subject maths. Second question. Now let us discuss the second question of exercise 8.1. See, Ranjan's salary is 10% of the Akhilesh salary, and Vimal's salary is 20% of the Ranjan salary, which is 10% of Akhilesh. Next in the given, that is Ranjan and Vimal, that denoted equal amount of their salaries for a social cause. Any social cause they donate, the donation will be done by both, that is equal amount. Given is, if Vimal denoted 30% of his salary, now we have to calculate what percentage of the salary is denoted by the Ranjan, which is the 10% of Akhilesh's salary, that is given. Now first of all, we assumed that let the Akhilesh salary is equals to 100. We assume Akhilesh salary is 100. Ranjan's salary is 10% of Akhilesh's salary, that is given. Now Ranjan's salary is equals to 10% of Akhilesh salary, which is 100. So 10% of 100, 10 divided by 100, percentage means divide by 100, multiply with 100, that is rupees 10. Now Ranjan's salary is 10% of Akhilesh's salary, that is rupees 10. Next is given Vimal's salary is 20% of Ranjan's salary. Vimal's salary is equals to 20% of Ranjan's salary. Ranjan's salary is 10. So 20% of 10, that is 20 by 100, multiply with 10. 0 cut with 0, again 0 cut with 0, that is only rupees 2. So only rupees 2 is Vimal's salary. Now next is given in the question, Ranjan and Vimal denoted equal amount of their salary for the social cause. If Vimal denoted 30% of his salary. Now next is donation of Vimal, which is equals to 30% of his salary. His salary we calculate, Vimal salary is rupees 2. So 30% of rupees 2. 30 divided by 100, multiply with 2. 0 cut with 0, 2 1s are 2, 2 5s are 10. 3 by 5 we will write here 0.6 paise. That donation which is done by the Vimal. See, one statement it is given here, Ranjan and Vimal denoted equal amount of their salary. If Vimal denoted 0.6 paise, obviously Ranjan denoted also 0.6. So we will write Ranjan and Vimal denoted equal amount their salaries. Equal amount of their salaries. So donation of Ranjan, which is also equals to 0.6 paise. Now we have to calculate the percentage of salary. Percentage of salary. How much percentage of salary that is denoted by the Ranjan? Denoted by, which is equals to, see, total donation that is 0.6 And Ranjan's salary, firstly we should calculate it, that is rupees 10. So total donation divided with total of the salary multiply with 100 by, we have to calculate the percentage of the salary. So point, if we will cut downside we will put 0, 100 cut with 100, only left is 6%. So 6% of the Ranjan salary is denoted to the social cause, that is 0.6 paise. Now next is question number 3rd, that is given the present price of a car is given rupees 3,3750. Every year the price decreases by 4%. Find the price of the car after 4 years. See, present price it is given. We will write here price of car, present price of car, that is rupees 3,03,750. Rate, decrease rate 4%. Time is also given, that is 4 years. Simply we have to calculate the amount. Whenever it is decreases, we will apply the formula, which is present price of the car 1 minus rate. It is decreases, so it will be written minus, divide with the 100 raised to power n, or time we can write t. So present value, that is given 3,03,750. 1 minus 4%, it decreases, divide with the 100 for 4 years. So similarly we should take the LCM. 33750, 100 minus 4, divide with the 100. 101 LCM is 100. 100 is divided by 100. 100 is multiplied with 1. So similarly LCM is firstly divided with the denominator, and which answer came we should multiply with the numerator. 100 minus 4, 90. 6 by 100 raised to power 4. That means 96 by 100 is multiplied with the 4 times. So 33750 multiply with 96 by 100. 96 by 100 we will write into the 4 times. So 10 cut with 10. When we should multiply 3375 with 96 4 times, it will come 286, 654, 464 and 100. Divide with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. It will be 286, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So before 5 digits we should put the decimal. So its approximate answer is 28665.44. This is the this is the value of car that is decreases by the 4% after 4 years. Now let us discuss the question number 4. Question is given the population of a car. Question number 4. The population of a place that is in a particular year which will be decreased by 4% and 15%, and next year it will be also decreased by 15%. We have to calculate the net increase or decrease percentage in the initial population. So let us firstly assume that let the initial population, which is equals to 100. See, first year the population increased by 15%. So in first year population increased by 15%. So 15% of 100 we will write, because population is, we will assumed here 100. So 15 by 100 multiply with 100, that means population is increased 15. So now population becomes, that is 100 plus increased population 115. Next is given, in the next year it will be decreased by 15%. So next year decreased by 15%. Similarly 15% of 115, because after the increasing population, after the 15% increase of the population becomes 115. So 15% of 115, which is equals to 15 by 100 multiply with 115. 115 multiply with 15, that is 1725 divided by 100, which is equals to 17.25. This is the decreased population. Now decrease is equals to, total is given, that is firstly that is 115 minus 17.25, which is equals to 97.75. Decreased population, firstly that is 100 minus decrease is 97.75, which is equals to 2.25. So there are net decrease, there is a decrement of the population. So decrease percentage is equals to, in the formula as we firstly discussed, when we want to calculate the increase or decrease percentage, decrease in amount divide with the original amount multiply with the 100. Same, decrease in amount divide with original amount multiplying with 100. Decrease in amount, that is 2.25. Original amount, that is firstly initial population original amount 100 multiply with 100 cut with 100. Now the decrease percentage is 2.25, the population.